Hello everybody, I will be introducing you to the intangible cultural heritage of Tibet. King Gesar is the embodiment of Lotus Master in Tibetan legend. King Gesar's life is full of legend. The praise for him is still around to this day. The legend of King Gesar's life is to promote the good and punish the evil. It also serves forward this drama and spread culture, as well as to bring down demons and evil spirits. In addition, it aims rioting violence to get rid of the cruel and pacify the good people from north to south. He has unified more than 100 tribes and has become a long-standing hero that Tibetan people were proud of. What's even more magical is the legacy of King Gesar's rap artists. First, around light artists, such artists in top follow this tradition. First, they take out a copy mirror and put in their own incense case. Then they read the prayer and rap to copy mirror. It's said that they can see King Gesar's heroic deeds from the anything without it. Second, dream artists, also known as God-given artists, know how to sing Gesar legend through dreams. Third, know the artists. This kind of artists claimed that they had not been inspired by God, but had learned from others. Fourth, chanting artists. Such artists can read and rap from a book. Fifth, epiphany artists are named from waking up and suddenly be able to rap and the legend of King Gesar. Sixth, escapation artists. They are the people who can escape the story of Gesar according to the tradition of Buddha or the monk. They have the Gesar scripture hidden deep in some caves, mountains, or other hard, rich places. This is known as handy. The people who can escape this treasure are called escapation artists. Seventh, treasure artists. This kind of artists legendary. They have the story of Gesar in their hearts. They can dig out treasure like mirrors and write the story.